The Minister for Housing and Urban Development, Piwa Ngosi Mabuza, has inspected government houses to be used by civil servants in Hlangano. Our reporter Zodwa Dlamini is coming to us from Hlangano.
The aim of the Minister for Housing and Urban Development was to inspect new houses for civil servants that have just been completed. According to the minister, this is one of the government's program to inspect the new houses for civil servants and their welfare.
In Hlangano, we wanted to see the progress that is being made by the institutional housing development. Government instructed the ministry through, and the ministry instructed the housing board, Swazi National Housing Board, to be the developer of the institutional housing program. So we wanted to see how well that has gone, and I must say that I was very pleased to see that indeed there's quite a lot of relief that the program has brought to the people working for correctional services, fire and the police. Yes. And we can see that there's still a long way to go, because you can see that there's a lot of old structures that are occupied, and really it's not the image that we want as a country for really anyone who is working, particularly working for government, to be living in.
The houses includes those for the Royal Swaziland Police, Correctional Services and Fire and Emergencies. Reporting for Swazi TV News, I'm Zodwa Dlamini with Smova Shongwe in Hlangano.